He just waved. Henry. Henry, what are you doing? You want to get in? Want to get in? Okay. Okay, let's get in. Say bye to Auntie Paula. Say bye. Say bye, Henry. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. He wants it open now. Here. Come on, Henry. He wants to shut it now.
Can I get out now? Let's see if he lets me out. I'm sitting in the car. Okay, I'll stay in the Porsche.
So funny. Oh yeah, you want me to shut the door? Okay. He's in by themselves. He loves it here. He's in by himself. Look at him.
He's like, why are you out of the Porsche? Henry, vroom, vroom.
Vroom, vroom, Henry, vroom. If he locks the car, we gotta go get the key.
He's pointing to the other door.
Oh, he wants to get out now? Okay, come on.